Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Hey guys, I'm going to jump right into it today. Today I'm going to be making amazing beef neck bone stew in a pressure cooker. Alright, so a pressure cooker plus. Alright, that's what I'm going to be doing, and you will be needing some beef neck bone. That's those in there. You will be needing some celery, like 4 of these, 4 stalks. Some red flakes, pepper flakes, some black pepper. Let me show you. Go ahead and show this. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. I don't have one of them type of cameras. And this is some granulated onion. And this is granulated garlic. This is some beef base right here. This is some sea salt, Himalaya, pink sea salt. This is some Barley. Need some fiber in your life, man. Get you some fiber. So that's why I'm going to be using that. I have some baby carrots right here. I'm going to just go ahead and use all of those up. I have some sunburst blend bite-sized potatoes. So it's like some little brown ones and red ones mixed. This bag right here costs, now you don't have to use this now. You're going to go get your own potatoes and cut them up or whatever. This was about $3. So sad to say. But I like these type of potatoes. You know, you gotta eat it like you want to eat, right? I got some frozen corn. And I have some green beans right there. Alright? And also I'm probably going to be using a little, making like a slurry up with some flour or something like that, just to make my broth a little thicker. I'm not going to put the tomatoes and stuff in there today. You know, sometimes tomato give you a little heartburn and stuff like that. Like I said, if you want to cut down some of that acidity, all you have to do is put some butter or something in it, or some baking soda or something like that. It cuts down that acidity, but I prefer butter. Alright? Alright, before we get started, I just want to go ahead and give a shout out to Tracy's Place. Go over there and check her out. The name will be up on deck. It's another one I wanted to give a shout out to. All Things Pinto Beans. Go check her out. She got like a little mukbang channel, little challenges and stuff she be doing with her kids and her family. Another shout out go to Risa Richardson. Go check her out. Okay, if I miss anybody, because I got a lot going on and stuff, so comment down below and let me know if you need a shout out and you're a subscriber of mine. Not just you just got here and you all of a sudden you're getting a shout out now. These people are been amazing. They're very amazing. If you want to be part of this family where we do shout outs on each other's channel and stuff like that, then this is the channel that you need to be with. This is the family, I should say, not the channel, but the family you need to be with. My homeboy started this out, Ray Max Kitchen and Grill. Okay, you need to really go check him out. That's a special shout out. He been on my team from a long time ago. Alright, so please go check him out. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and start chopping up some of this stuff. I'm going to go ahead and wash some of this stuff. I'm going to wash this off. I'm just showing you what I had. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I put like 6 cups of water in there. I'm going to go ahead and come with these red pepper flakes. We're going to put a teaspoon. This is a tablespoon, so that you know. Teaspoon of black pepper. That was the first teaspoon was red pepper flake. Tablespoon of onion, granulated onion. So we're gonna go with like 2 of those, okay? So 2 of those, probably a tablespoon of the garlic. That's it. We always just start it out like that first, okay? Then we go with a teaspoon of salt. Probably about a half a teaspoon maybe, yeah. Cause I'm putting this beef stuff in there, and I'm put a tablespoon of that. I don't want that much. Yeah, that should be about a tablespoon. See if I can get that off. Okay. Normally I'll mix this up in a cup or something, warm water or something, just so it won't stick to the spoon. I want all of this stuff off there. Alright, and we're just going to cook that first before we do our vegetables, okay? Alright. And we're just going to go ahead and cook this for about 45 minutes, see how it looks, because the beef takes a little longer to cook, alright? And I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, everybody, I am back. Okay, this has been cooking for 40 minutes. Show you what I've got here. Let me just tilt it. See, let me get something put it on here on this table. I'm gonna burn my table up. So, this is how it looks. See if I can tilt this more. It's kind of hot. Just like that. Okay. So, what we want to do, and it's tender too. It's not real tender, but it's tender enough where I can tear a piece off with this spoon. See that? I don't want it stringy. Tastes good. So I got some slurry right here. This was 2 tablespoons of slurry. I said slurry. 2 tablespoons of flour. And I'm going to put it in here. Let's just thicken that up. I did add another tablespoon of granulated onion. So I'm just stir that up in here a little bit. Alright. Then I'm going to take my celery and scoop that up in there. Be careful. Take your potatoes. Scoop that up in there. Something real good to have for the winter time, I'll tell you that, guys. So just mix this around up in there a little bit. Alright. I'm going to take my corn. This is a 1/4 cup of corn. Put that in there. Just like to taste little bits and pieces of corn in it. So do go check out when I made a classic pork neck bone stew. So yes, I pour the juice and everything up in there. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I do want a little juice with mine. If you want to take these bones out or something, you can do so. I'm going to leave mine in there. Maybe take this big piece out right here. See that big piece? Take that out. Throw that in the garbage. Ain't nothing on that. You can debone all yours if you want to. So like these big pieces right here. So we don't get no big piece of bone in there. I ain't gonna worry about it too much. Okay. And I have some soy sauce. put some of that in there. So that's probably about like 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Alright. Take some of these Barley. We're just gonna cook this, guys, for probably about another 20 minutes or something. If that, probably 10 minutes or something. See if I can open this up. See a little fiber in your life. Let's see, measure this out. Let's see. So probably like a tablespoon of that. I'm going to 2 tablespoons. There you go. Make sure those get in there. Alright. And that's how that looks. I'm going to go ahead and cook this for about a good 20 minutes. And I'll show you how it looks. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys. I am back and I'm done with this amazing beef neck bone stew. So if you guys like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. Tell all your friends and family to come over and check out Veldog's Kitchen, where I'll be making you restaurant quality foods or better. From my home to yours. Guys, see you next time. Veldog's Kitchen in a minute.